Take your plate. Good morning, Maria Sri. What ma Tilakar? Tilakar. Why are you crying? Ennachuma? Why? Huh? What happened, ma? கை நசுக்கிக்கிட்டீங்களா?
இல்ல மேடம், சாப்பிடும்போது வெவையும் சேர்த்து சாப்பிட்டுட்டாங்க. அது அப்படியே நடிச்சு நல்ல ரத்தம் வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி ரத்த கட்டு மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு.
சரி, இப்ப எழுத முடியலையா? சார் நோ ப்ராப்ளம், டோன்ட் ரைட், லீவ் இட். திலகர் எழுத வேண்டாம், விட்டுருங்க, அப்புறமா எழுதுங்க. ஓகே, டோன்ட் கிரை ஃபார் தட், லீவ் இட், டோன்ட் கிரை.
1 to 3.
Okay, well.
From 1 to 20 children. Ilango, good morning. Nakshatra, good morning. Take your slate and write numbers from 1 to 20.
Okay, 1
Very
to 20.
good, Masini. Srinija, you can write from 21 to 30 also, you can write.
Okay, okay.
2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22.
1 and 20.
From 1 to 20. Good morning, Nimalan. Ilango. Very good, Sarah. Finished? 2020.
இது பண்ணிருக்கப்பா, அதான் நான் கேட்டுட்டே இருக்காங்க. சின்ன எழுது.
If you can write 2, 1, 21 till 30 also, you can write, children. 2, 1, 21. 2 க்கு அப்புறமா எழுதணும். After 2 you have to write 2 first, அப்புறம் 1 எழுதணும். 2, 2, 22. See, ma'am will also write 2 first. Sarah, இங்க பாருங்க, look at me, Sarah. First write 2. Next you have to write 1. Sarah is having this problem, I think. 2, 1, 21.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 2, 2, 22. First, second letter, second number.
இங்க பக்கத்துல.
Ma'am, for the Pranavi and Pravina, you should show 8, ma'am. They are asking.
8 number.
Ma'am is showing.
Pravina.
That is 8.
Why do you want me to show 8? 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30.
Ma'am, for double digit numbers, Yuka is getting confused, ma'am. For that 21 example, 1, 2.
Yeah,
8.
that's it. How they are pronouncing 2, 1, 21 na modal enna vaartha solrona 2. So first you have to write 2. Like that you have to advise her, and next today we'll have homework also from 21 to 30.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
For 18, 15, 16 also, sometimes she itself is pronouncing it wrongly, 80, 60. So she's writing the wrong number.
That's what repeated practice only will correct them. Repeated as class la illiyo veetla whenever they are free, parents you have to ask them to write numbers.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
That's what in the session also randomly I asked them to write 16, write number 16, write number 15 to check whether they are able to write correctly. At home also, whenever you find time, ask them to write like that. Otherwise, ask them to point out towards the calendar, which is number 15, which is number 16.
Okay.
It will help them a lot in identifying the numbers, and then they will not make mistakes like this. Finish, Ma Srinija? Nakshatra, are you writing?
Ma'am, Srinija is finished, ma'am.
Finish. Very
Ma'am,
good.
Nakshatra is writing, ma'am.
Writing, okay. Yukta, spell and write, Yukta. How will you spell and write? What number you are writing now? Let me help you. What number you are writing, Yukta?
9.
9. Okay, 9. Next, 1, 0, 10. Spell and write. That's what I keep on telling you in the session also. Spell and write. 1, 0, 10. Next, 1, 1, 11.
1, 11.
Next number.
Still.
1, 2, 12. Next, 1, 3, 13. Very good, Riyasi. Now write from 21 to 30.
21.
Try to write.
21 language. இது மேம் போட்டுருக்காங்க.
1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. Very good, Sara. Excellent, Sara. Good girl.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma. 1, 7, 17. 7, 17. 1, 8, 18.
Next.
Next, 1, 9, 19. Like that, if you spell and write, then you will not make any mistakes. 2, 0, 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, right, ma. I'm watching you. You write. 2,
2.
0. Hey, Adarsh. Adarsh has written till 20. Super, Adarsh. Very good boy, Adarsh. Adarsh, எழுதிட்டு எதுக்கு அலறீங்க ஆதர்ஷ்? Why are you crying? சொச்சோ ஆதர்ஷ் அம்மா அடிச்சிட்டீங்களா? ஆதர்ஷ் அழக்கூடாது. ஹை ஃபை.
மேம் பாரு மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க.
ஹை ஃபை கொடுங்க மேம்க்கு. கம் ஆன்.
அங்க பாரு.
Why is he crying?
For attending, you don't want to attend the class today, ma'am.
அச்சச்சோ, இப்ப சூப்பரா எழுதுறதெல்லாம் எப்படி எழுதுறீங்க அப்போ? ஆதர்ஷ், கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணது தானே எழுத வரும். When you are not attending, how will you write?
See, ma'am, பாரு. ஸ்டார்ஸ் தான் தருவாங்க.
ஆதர்ஷ்க்கு ஸ்டார் கொடுக்கலாமா? சன் கொடுக்கலாம் இன்னைக்கு ஆதர்ஷ்க்கு. ஆதர்ஷ், இங்க பாருங்க.
அங்க பாரு. ஐ சன்மா.
Don't want fun, smiley sun.
அங்க பாரு.
Don't cry, Adarsh. Who is Nitish Veerapan? Enable your video. Where is Nitish Veerapan? Very good.
I'm Nimalan only, ma'am.
Okay. Enable your video. Why I'm not able to see Nimalan?
Ma'am, in the name of Nimalan video is there, ma'am.
Okay, log in two gadgets. Okay. Fine.
Yes,
fine.
ma'am. Mic problem, ma'am. So.
ஏதாவது ஒண்ண வந்து ஃபுல்லா மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. including the sound. Sound full குறைச்சிருங்க, செஷனையும் மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. Then only that echo will not come. வீடியோ இருக்க டிவைஸ்ல ஃபுல்லா மியூட் பண்ணு, சவுண்ட் கூட கம்மி பண்ணிரணும். ஆடியோ இருக்க டிவைஸ் மட்டும் அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க.
Ma'am, Pravina finished, ma'am. Pranavi is writing now.
Pravina, Pranavi, you didn't write, Pranavi?
Ma'am, she is writing now, ma'am.
Okay, right. Very good, Pravina. High five.
High five, good ma'am.
High five. Super. Sara, high five. Sara. High five. Srinija, high five. Good, very good. Well done. Super, Ilango. Very good. Till what number you have written? 30, ah? 30 very good. Yukta, very good. Yes, very good. Very good. 1 minute. Keep holding your plate. 1 minute. Let me note it down. Adarsh has written only till 20. Yeah, very good. Ilango till 30. Kevin. 1 minute, I'll call you, Lavanya. 1 minute. Kevin till 20, you're writing normally, yeah, okay. Mokshita, I noted down, Mokshita. Thank you. Very good, Mokshita. Nitish. Nitish. Yes, please.
30, ma'am.
Sara, very good. Pranavi, Pravina, both of you. Shravanya, show me your slate.
Okay, ma'am. Finish.
Very good, Shravanya. Till number 25, yeah, Shravanya.
Number 4, ma'am.
Slowly.
30, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'll note down your name, okay?
2, 6, ஒரு ரவுண்ட் சி மாதிரி போடுவீங்கல்ல, போட்டு ஒரு ரவுண்ட்.
Waiting for Kevin.
2, 7 and
Tilakar, afterwards you have to write and send it to me, Tilakar, okay? You are writing, Tilakar, right. Nimalan also go.
போடு 9 போடு சீக்கிரம் போடு.
I have noted down your name. Very good. Those are finished. You can put it down. Very good. Waiting for Kevin, Nimalan, and Nakshatra. Nitish, show me your slate.
Nitish, show your plate.
21. Come on, right. Very good, Nimalan. I saw your slate now. Very good. Well done. Started writing very neatly, Nimalan. Good boy. Kevin, if you are able to write till 20, it's well and good. Till 30, romba force panna vendam, Kevin. Till 20, if he is able to write, leave him.
he is writing he wrote till 20, now he is writing 21, 22, ma'am.
By
23.
himself,
23 he is writing 3.
No, I just wanted to know he is writing by himself or you are guiding him.
No, he is writing by himself.
3
Very good, Kevin. Kevin,
கெவின் இங்க பாரு மேம்.
மேம் பாக்குறாங்க ஸ்டார் தர்றாங்க பாத்தியா
பார்த்தாதான் சன் தருவேன்.
Ma'am, Pranavi முடிச்சிட்டா.
படிக்கிறீங்களா கெவின்? Come
Ma'am,
on,
Pranavi
Kevin.
also finish.
Very good ma. Thank you so much ma. Okay, Tabrish. Kevin, you don't want the sun?
Shravanya finish, ma'am.
Very good, Shravanya. I noted down your name, Shravanya. Thank you. Okay. All of you keep your slates down. Hope everyone has finished except Nakshatra. Come on. I've noted down Kevin's name also. Nakshatra alone. Come on, Nakshatra. Till what you have written?
Ma'am, she has written till 27, 20, 28.
Okay. It's already time up. Come on, mom. You have to start our session. Come on, write fast. 28. 29. 28. I think you have written 8 to 28.
28.
Nakshatra. இது உங்களுக்கு தான். Come on, write. Look here. Nakshatra. This is for you only. எல்லாருக்குமே for everyone. Okay, don't cry. Come on, write. Shame puppy shame சொல்லுவாங்க அழுதீங்கன்னா. Don't cry. Right. Good girl, Nakshatra. This is for everyone. Don't cry, children. Just for writing numbers, you children will cry. So finish? Good girl. High five. High five. High five கொடுங்க மேம்க்கு. Smile. Smile. நக்ஷத்ராவோட ஸ்மைல் எங்க காணோம்? எங்க போச்சு? ஸ்மைல் எங்க நக்ஷத்ராவோட ஸ்மைல்? எங்க போச்சு நக்ஷத்ரா? Smile. Happy face. Happy face எங்க? See the sun's happy face. சரி, okay, அழக்கூடாது. Good girl, okay? Okay, come on children, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Srinija will say Kids anthem today, okay? Very good, Tilakar. I'll note down your name. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Get ready for Kids anthem. Srinija, Kids anthem.
Kids anthem, you are ready. Shravanya, ma'am.
You want to say Shravanya? Okay, say. Come on.
Kids anthem, you are to me. You are infinite and unique. My potential inside.
You are the
Within myself, you define me. My potential inside. Today I bless all my mind. I share to you my potential inside.
very good. Well done. Super. Very good, children. All of you, come on, keep standing.
What's going on?
Bam, bam.
Don't know, some audio issues are there. We'll see. Okay, children, come on, go drink one glass of water and come back. We'll see. Okay?
I'm pending the
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, Mokshita mom speaking, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Mokshita's mom.
Ma'am, she wants son. What, ma'am? Son, ma'am. Ma'am, she wants son, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll give you. We'll finish the attendance and then I'll give you.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Attendance, children, first.
It's me.
Very good, Adya. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Ilango. Next.
மறுபடியும் சொல்லு.
Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Next. Nitin, very good. Next. Kevin.
சொல்லு சார்.
Very good, Kevin. Next. Very good. Next. Very good, Sarah. Next. Very good, Pranavi. Next. Very good, Pravina. Next. Next. Srinija. Srinija. Okay, I'll note your name, Srinija. Next. Okay, very good, Tilaka. Next. Very good, Yukta. Next. Radhamri is absent. Very good, Shavanya. Next. Very good, Mokshita. Next. Very good, Manimalan. Next.
Mama, this is person, ma'am.
Okay. Appa. Okay, fine. Thank you, children.
Ma'am, Srinija's device got struck, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You want to see your photo?
No, it's okay, ma'am.
Let me show you the screen. Yeah, very good, Srinija. Thank you. Okay, children. So far, what are the vegetables we learned? What are the vegetables we learned so far? Anyone can tell me? What did we learn so far? Leafy vegetables. Next. Underground vegetables. And then two families also we saw. What is that? Enna family paatho nethe? Yeah, God family and then beans family. Yes. So today we are going to have a recap of those and then we are going to learn a new concept. Okay. Before that, I want you to be ready with book number 2. Workbook number 2, parents. Okay. This time we are going to do worksheets from book number 2. So please be ready with that. By the time I give a recap of the leafy vegetables. Okay, what is this leafy vegetable? Whoever knows the answer can answer, children. What leafy vegetable is this?
Mint.
Mint. Very good. Mint.
Coriander. Mint.
Wait, now, wait. One by one. What is this? Very good, Ilamba, but one by one we'll go. Very good. What is this? Coriander. Okay. Next, what is this? Very good, Mokita. What is this? Fenugreek. Yeah, good. Fenugreek. Next. Curry leaves. Very good, Adan. But your mama is teaching you. Children, you yourself identify. Curry leaves. நீங்க சொல்லி கொடுத்தாலும் பிரயோஜனம் இல்ல ஆதர்ஷ் அம்மா. ஓகேங்களா? அவங்க என்ன தெரியுமோ அதை சொல்லட்டும்.
Okay, ma'am.
Underground vegetables. Underground vegetables. What do you mean by underground? Na என்னது? மண்ணுக்குள்ள இருக்குமா வெளியில இருக்குமா? Where it lives? Inside or outside? மண்ணுக்குள்ள இருக்கு. Inside. Children, when you answer only, I know how far you are clear with the concept. If you are keeping quiet, I don't know what to do. Whatever answer you know, you have to answer, children. Okay? So what underground vegetable is this? Carrot. What underground vegetable is this? Beetroot. Next. Onion. Very good. Next. Potato. Very good. Next. Ginger. Very good. Ginger. Next. What is it? Radish. So come on, carrot. Where is carrot? Underground vegetable carrot. That's the carrot. Very good. Potato, onion. These underground vegetables. Okay. Next, we are going to see the God family. Yesterday we learned God family. God family.
God family.
Yeah, God. God. So first, what God is this? What God is this?
Rich God.
Very good, Savanya. Rich God. Very good. You can see the rich God. Okay. Next, what God is this? It is very bitter. What is this? Bitter God. Very good. Bitter God. Next.
God. Bitter God.
Very good. Say God. Next. God. Very good, Ilamba. God. Let me see how many of you knows this. What is this? EV God, okay? EV God and pointed God. EV God and pointed God, okay? Next, the beans family, children, okay? First is French beans. French beans. Cluster beans. What is it? Cluster beans. Lima beans. Yes, Lima beans. What is it? Kidney, bean. Kidney, bean. Okay. So today we are going to learn new concept, that is fruits. So what are the fruits name you know, children? Come on, let me know some of the fruits names. Apple. Yes. What? Apple, mango. Okay, banana. Next. Orange. Very good. Next. Pineapple. Guava. Very good. Okay. So some of the fruits here you are going to see which you don't know. Some of the fruits you don't know. So that we are going to do. Let us see here. So what fruit is this? What fruit is this? Very good. Papaya. And can you see what is inside this papaya? Ennama idu black black. What is this? Those are seeds. Papaya has lot of seeds inside. Like watermelon. Watermelon also. Have you eaten watermelon? Ellaru watermelon சாப்பிட்டிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? In that also you will have lot of seeds. Yes, black color seeds. Same way, papaya also has lot of seeds. Yes, mute yourself, children. Next is pear. Berikai will say. Pear. Pear. Okay?
Yes, I
Peach.
No.
No, it is peach. Okay? Muskmelon. Muskmelon juice and all you would have had. This is muskmelon. And this is your favorite, children. What is it?
Cherry, I like cherry. My favorite.
You like cherry. Yeah, very good. Cherry, and it has only one seed, children. Okay? And what is this? Look at your eyes, children. All the strawberries are strawberry. Very good.
No extra
Next one. Who knows this one? It looks like strawberry only. What is this bud? Lychee. What is Lychee. Fig. Fig. This is fig. Okay? Fig. Fig also has lot of seeds. It has more nutritive value, children. Okay? And next, what is this? What is this? Orange. This is sweet lime. Orange will be in orange color. This is not orange. This is sweet lime. Sathukodi, mummy will give juice and all, right? Sweet lime. Okay, ba? Sweet lime. Very good. Yeah, kiwi. This also you like it, children. Kiwi. Let's go. Pomegranate. Yes, very good. And this one, custard apple, very good. Custard apple also has lot of seeds. Big seeds it will have. Okay, custard apple. That's it. One more time we have a recap. All okay, I want you to mute yourself, children. 1 minute. Yes, everyone mute yourself. 1 minute, mute yourself. Let ma'am tell you all the name of fruits. Custard apple. You can see how big the seeds are. Custard apple, pomegranate, kiwi, sweet lime, fig, lychee, strawberry, cherry, muskmelon, peach, pear, papaya. So all these are fruits. And now next shall we do our worksheet. Take worksheet number D41 CT. D41 CT. It will be in number book 2. Workbook number 2. Take your worksheet book, write today's date. Today's date is 2/4/24-8-2121 and the day is Tuesday, month of August. Workbook number 2. It will not be in workbook number 1. Workbook number 2. After 5 pages, you can see. 4 to 5 pages, you have to rotate. After that only, you can see this worksheet.
Ma'am, worksheet number?
D41 CT.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Match the fruits to their names.
மேம் D40 வரைக்கும் தான் இருக்கு மேம்.
Not the old book, new book I said, book number 2.
Okay.
Workbook number 2, parents. I'll show you workbook number 2. இந்த bookல தான் இருக்கும். Workbook number 1ல இருக்காது. Workbook number 1 is over. Only the homework sheets are there. So workbook number 2 only hereafter we'll do. Got it? Shall we start, children? Finish writing the date. So you have four fruits here. First is cherry, second is kiwi, third is pear, and the fourth one is lychee. Now what we are going to do is first circle the name, children. P-E-A-R, pear, green color fruit. Where is pear? Match it. Pear எங்க இருக்கு match பண்ணுங்க. It is green in color. Pear. And the next one is cherry. You know where is cherry? It is a red color fruit. You very well know which is cherry. Match it. And the third one is lychee. Lychee is also a red color fruit. It looks like strawberry only. Lychee. And the fourth one is kiwi. Kiwi, a brown color fruit. Kiwi. Very good. Yeah, let others also finish too. Those who have finished can take D40 LT. This will be your worksheet. D40 LT. You will have 3 letters here. These 3 children are holding 3 letters. G, H and I. Okay. You are going to match the letters to the balloons. See where is the G letter written balloons. Match to that. Match this girl to that balloon. G here, one G you have here, and blue color balloon also G is there. So you are going to match G like this. G and another G is this one. Next letter is H. Find out where is H balloons. One is already matched for you. Next H is another red color balloon. It is given here. Next is I. Here pink color and yellow color. Srinija, I think Srinija will be having J and K also. You can try to match that also, Srinija. Okay?
Next. Okay.
Finish, Nakshatra. Go first. Finish. Very good. Nitish also finished. Good. Adya finished. Good man, Nitish. Shall we move on to the next worksheet? The same day empty worksheet. D40 empty. D40 empty. You will be having shapes, children. Oval, rectangle, diamond, heart shape. You have to match the respective shapes to the objects given here. Oval means egg. Rectangle, what is there in rectangle shape? Rectangle shape la enna irukku? Nothing is there in rectangle shape. Oval shape, you have egg here.
Ma'am, Pranavi and Pravina finished the match the following.
Which match the following?
And the shapes and all Pranavi and Pravina finish.
Okay, ma'am. Next is rectangle. Diamond, what do you have here in diamond shape?
No. Color கொடுத்துட்டாங்க new color.
Yes, kite. Next, heart shape is pillow.
Coloring பண்ணலாம் கலர்
இந்த ஷேப் ரொம்ப ஷாடா
Finish.
man.
Very good, Mokita. Others? Okay. We'll move on to the next worksheet. Next, you will be having the alphabet worksheet, language worksheet, and the worksheet number is D41LT. And the worksheet, what we are going to do is M. Okay. First of all, take your slate, children, all of you. Don't write in the worksheet. Take your slate and chalk piece first. First, take your slate and chalk piece. Be ready with that worksheet. First, you take your slate and chalk piece. We'll practice writing M. Then we'll continue writing in the worksheet. Okay, children? First, take your slate and chalk piece. Yes. How will you write M? Ma'am is going to show you how to write M. Okay. First, a standing line. Okay. In the standing line, meliye ponum. Same standing line itself go up. One curve, another curve. This is M. Okay. Some of you will write standing line potu. If your curve podinga, that is not correct. Without taking out your hand. Hand velila edukamale eludhanum. First, a standing line. Go up in the same line. And the line மேலே மேலே போணும். then a curve, another curve. Yes, the same way you have to do. Kai edukama eludum. Don't take out your hand and write. If you are able to write the alphabet without taking out your hand, you can continue writing in your worksheet. யார் யாரெல்லாம் கை எடுக்காம எழுதுறீங்களோ அவங்க ஒர்க் ஷீட்ல எழுதலாம். It is not like capital M. Capital M will write like this with sharp edges. No, it is not like that. For small m, we are going to put curve. So without taking your hand, try to write. A standing line, go up in the same line. And the line மேலேயே போணும். கை எடுக்க கூடாது. Standing line போட்ட அப்புறம் கை வெளியில எடுக்க கூடாது. எடுக்காம in the same line go up, one curve, another curve. When you practice writing like this only, it will be easy for you when you start writing cursive letters, children. At that time, when you break it, you will not get it through it. Okay? It will be very difficult for you. Each and every alphabet, try to write without taking out your hand often. Line, standing line, go up in the same line, one curve, another curve. Curve போடும்போதும் கை எடுக்க கூடாது. ஒரு curve இப்படி போட்டுட்டு இன்னொரு curve இப்படி போட கூடாது. The same way, curve, go up, again the same curve. Parents, let me see how they are writing. Can you please tilt the camera and show me?
Ma'am, Pranavi and Praveen are finished, ma'am.
Ma, worksheet la eludha sollalama. Are they able to write in the slate without taking their hand?
Yes, ma'am. Thoroughly they can write.
Okay, then they can continue writing in their worksheet. No problem.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Already they finished that, then only they came from here.
Is that the way I taught them to write? Should not encourage such habits, Abrish.
No, ma'am. You open the page, no, so that time itself they take the page and fastly they are writing.
Good. Okay. Hereafter, don't do like that, Pranavi and Pravina.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, in an order only you should write. Okay?
Yeah,
Just
okay,
not
ma'am.
writing will not be good for you.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah. Sarah is able to write M, I think.
Not exactly, ma'am.
Ah.
She tried different.
But without taking her hand, she is able to write. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then when she is writing in the worksheet, it will be okay. Ask her to write in the worksheet, no problem.
Okay.
If it is little bit wavy also, no problem, parents. But without taking hand, கை எடுக்காம எழுதுறாங்களான்னு பாருங்க. Important.
Mausita finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Likewise, H worksheet also yesterday I have given. H, how will you write? In the same way, H also, standing line, go in the same way, come with the curve out like this. But many of you have written in the worksheet like this. தனியா ஒரு standing line, ஒரு curve போட்டிருக்கீங்க. Next time, you should not write like that, children, okay? Ilango, are you able to write Ilango M?
Yeah, ma'am, he's writing. Yes.
Yeah,
he
fine.
doesn't.
Very good. Nakshatra can continue to write. Write in the worksheet, Nakshatra. Very good. Yukta, very good, Yukta. You can carry on writing in your worksheet. Nimalan, perfect, Nimalan. You can write in your worksheet. Srinija, finish. Riyashri, that's what. Only a curve will not work. Along with the standing line, go up. Again, curve. Standing line தெரியல. Just ரெண்டு curve மட்டும் தான் தெரியுது, Riyashri. Standing line இல்லையே, இந்த standing line. Where is the standing line? Srinija also with the standing line. Srinija, இங்க பாருங்க, ma'am, பாருங்க. Look at ma'am. How will you write M? Standing line, go up in the same line, one curve, another curve. The standing line, it should be visible. Okay? Come on, try to write. Adya is able to write M without taking out your hand.
Yeah, now she understood.
Yeah. Shravanya, don't take out your hand, Shravanya. That's what I'm repeatedly telling you. Don't take out your hand. Without taking out your hand, you have to write. Yes, Kevin. Kevin, start writing in your worksheet, Kevin. Yes, it's okay. Only let him write in his worksheet. Next page will be your homework. Only that cup mug page we can do now. Next page will be your homework, children. What is the phonic sound for M? Who knows? Phonic sound for M. Very good. That makes many meals. Mom and the dad makes many meals for their hungry children. Let's finish, everyone. Only one sheet. Next sheet is your homework, children. Those are finished. Take your book number 1. In that you will have D39 empty worksheet. Number 28. D39 empty. D39 empty. Number 28 worksheet. Those who are finished can take this worksheet. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28, 28. 28, 28. Spell and write, children. Come on, everyone should spell and write. 2, 8, 28. 2, 8, 28. Those are finished M worksheet. You can start writing the number 28 worksheet. 10, 20, and again after 21, 20, you will get 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 2, 8, 28. Like that you have to count and write, children. D39 empty. In book number 1. Don't search it in book number 2. It is in book number 1. The old book. Two, 8, 2, 828. Sarah, spell and write, ma, okay? Sarah, what number? Sorry. Yukta, what number you are writing?
What number you are writing?
2828. 2828. 2828. 2828. 2828.
Not like that, Yukta. Yukta. Not like that. When you write 2, you say it is 2. When you write 8, you say it is 8. And together, 2828. சும்மா சொல்லிட்டே இருக்க வேண்டாம் 2828 2828 ன்னு சொல்ல வேண்டாம் எழுதும் போது சொல்லிக்கிட்டே எழுதுனா போதும் ஓகே
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, come on, right, good girl. 28. That is the way you should spell and write. Okay?
2828.
Yeah, good. Ilango. Spelling it and writing, Ilango. Let me see how you are spelling it out and writing.
Right. 8 சொல்லு மேம் சொல்லி
2
8 wrong சர்க்கிள் போடக்கூடாது ஒழுங்கா போடு
Adya.
8
Adya.
8
Adya do 828. Jaldi likho Adya. See, when you finish writing only, we have an activity here. Look here, Adya. Look at the screen. We'll do this activity when you finish writing. Come on, finish fast, children.
Ma'am, they have another class as well.
Yeah. Only 2 minutes or 5 minutes will be there. What to do?
लिखो जल्दी
Jaldi likho.
2
Hindi
8.
class today.
No, it has 8. No, she don't like to write it.
Oh my God. Adya. What to do, Adya?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Finish.
Srinija finished, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Very good, Shravanya. Yes, Adya, later on you can write. Okay, no problem. So today we are going to see the germination, stages of germination. We already did it in a worksheet. Okay?
Now they are finished, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Okay, children, stop writing, all of you. When you find time, finish the rest of the numbers. Stop, all of you. Look at the screen. Look at ma'am, everyone. Yukta, close your book. All of you close your book enough. So this is germination. Okay. So what does a plant needs to grow? A plant needs water, sunlight. And first to grow a plant is mute yourself. Everyone, when I ask you, you can answer. So first to grow a plant, what we need is a seed. Okay, and this is a small plant inside the seed. This only will grow out. Okay, so this is a seed, number 1, and it is inside the soil. You have to sow the seed inside the soil. Soil kulla sow pananum. Seed sow pannavana enna pannu? What we'll do? We'll pour some water regularly, and after pouring some water, a small sprout comes out. Can you see? So this is number 2. Here. Number 2, second stage. And the third stage, sorry, you'll get the roots first. Okay. And then a small sprout comes out. This is the root, children. Here you can see this is the root and this is the small plant that is coming out of the seed. Okay. So that is the third part. And the fourth part, you will get a bud. Can you see the bud here, red in color? Small bud, red in color. Yes, that will be number 4. And finally, the bud grows into a flower like this. That will be number 5. So this is the stage of germination. See here, root, stem, leaves. This is the leaves and this is the flower. This is bud. Flower bloom ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி பட்டா தான் இருக்கும். Next only it will become a beautiful flower. So this is the germination, stage of germination. Okay children, did you all understand? First seed, then the root comes out, then a small sapling comes out, then it grows bigger and gives bud, and the bud blooms into a flower. So this is the germination sheet. Is understood? Thank you everyone. Thanks for your cooperation. Today's homework will be alphabet M worksheet and then number from 21 to 30. Write 5 times 21 to 30. Yes? Very good children. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.